Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video we're going to use three most command that we are going to use with Wmic. Wmic is a Windows Management Instrumentation Console, which we are going to use it inside command prompt in our Windows. So we're going to press Windows key and R. So before we're going to run this CMD, let me tell you that these three commands that we're going to use with this Wmic is going to give us information about the app that's running inside our PC, and also it's going to give us information about our NIC, and also is going to give us information about the product version and vendor of Microsoft that installed inside our Windows PC. So here I'm going to type CMD so I can bring this command prompt. So here if I'm going to type this Wmic, so as you can see it's going to show me another console. So here I can just add this / with this question mark so I can see all this command here. So simple, I can just run these commands, but I'm not going to use the other commands because we're going to use three most useful commands with this Wmic. And we are going to exit from this console and I'm going to type here. So I'm going to type list Wmic process, and after that I'm going to type this list, and here I'm going to type this brief. So this is going to show me all this app which is running inside my PC. So I can just run this task list as well, but this task list is not going to give me some more information here. But with that I can just see more information. Like, let me just scroll up so I can show you here what I mean. So here as you can see it's going to show me this priority and this working set size, and also I can see this handle count with this app which is running here. So here I'm going to type this next command with this Wmic. So I'm going to type this Wmic nic config, and after that I'm going to type this get description, and we're going to add this semicolon, not semicolon, it's going to be a comma, and I'm going to add this IP address, and after that I'm going to add another comma, and here I'm going to add this MAC address. So this is going to show me this information for my NIC. I think here we add this E, so we have to remove this, and I'm going to hit here. So it's going to show me this, as you can see, this description for my NIC card, the IP address. I put my NIC onto DHCP that receive IP address. I didn't set any static IP, so that's why it doesn't show me anything here. Along with this IP address, also you can see the MAC address information for the interface card here as well. So here the next command that we are going to use with command prompt Wmic, that I'm going to type this Wmic, and here I'm going to type this product, and after that I'm going to type this get name comma version comma, and here